Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we have this problem. It's called problem number 58, length of last word. The problem has been asked from Yahoo, Apple, Uber, and Bloomberg in the last 6 months. It have been asked by Amazon and Google in the last 1 year, I guess, and Facebook, Adobe, and Microsoft. So it's pretty well known problem. So the problem say that given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consists of non-space characters only. So for example, we have this string. We want to return the length of the last one, which is 5. We have this string. We want to return the length of last string, which is 4, moon, joy boy, 6, and etc. The problem is quite easy. However, when we got to this one, it get quite tricky. So how can we solve this problem? This problem, we can solve it in a pretty easy way. So let's say that we have this this string. First, we create a variable to detect where the first word starts. Like for here, the first word doesn't start from the last index because maybe the last index is space. So first, we try to create a variable to detect where the last variable starts, and after that, we detect another variable to know where this string end, and we return the length, and that's it. So let's start. First, I will create a variable to know where the last string starts. So let's be equals is the length minus 1. Okay, and I will say while p is bigger than or equal 0 and is the character at p equals space. So for this one, I want to know where the last element is, and when we have a space, we take 1 from p, so it will be b minus minus. And after that, I want to create another variable. I will call a length, and it will be equal 0, and this will detect where this string end. So I'll say while p bigger than or equal 0 and that is the character at b doesn't equal space. I will say we wanna p, it will be minus minus, and length it will be plus plus, and I will return length. Let's try to discuss what happened here. Let me submit first to know if it's working or not. It's working. Okay, let's try to know what's happening. So let's take this example. So we start here. Let's say that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So 24. Let's say 24. So we have the length minus 1 will be 24, minus 1 will be 23. So we say that, okay, first we want to loop through, to know where's the last string start. So we loop through the string from the end, and we see if the character, while the character of that position, which will be this one, and the position of 32 is space, take 1 from p. So it was space, we take 1 from b, so it will be 22. Okay, so we loop again. Does it? Yeah, we have 2 spaces here. So we said that, okay, while b bigger than 0? Yeah, b bigger than 0. Okay. Is the character at p equal space? Yeah, that's right. Okay, take one from p again. So it will be 21. This while loop will say, okay, if while b bigger than 0, this is right, is the character at p equal to 0. This is not right because it is the character at p is equal to n right now. So this loop is end, and we have length right now which equals 0 currently. So we said while right now we go b again. So it's okay, while is the character at, because actually b it's acting like our pointer, you know. So I would say p is b bigger than 0. Yes. Is the character at b doesn't equals space? This is right, it's equals n. So p minus minus, so p will equals 20, and length will equals 1. And I will say, okay, again, does it b bigger than 0? Yes, it's 20. Is the character at b doesn't equals space? Yes, it equals O right now. So we increase length and we take 1 from p. And we say, okay, so we say that, okay, does b bigger than 0? Yes, because 19. Is the character at doesn't equals space? This is right, it's equals O. So we increase this one and we take 1 from here. And right now we say that, okay, does b bigger than 0? This is right. Is the character at b doesn't equals space? Yeah, it equals m. So it will be 4. And right now character will be 7 because we take 1 from them. And we say, okay, does p bigger than 0? This is right. Is the character at p doesn't equal space? This is not true because right now it's equal space. So we return 4. And we're in this while loop and we return 4, and that's it. That's it for this video. I hope my description is quite good. If you like my content, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a video, and see you in future problems.